Saksakallan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
O Immortal One, this unique airplane has been sent by the Supreme Personality of Godhead, who is worshipped by selected prayers and who is the chief of all living entities. You are quite worthy to board such a plane. According to astronomical calculation, along with the pole star there is another star, which is called Shishumara, where Lord Vishnu, who is in charge of the maintenance of this material world, resides. Shishumara or Dhruvloka can never be reached by anyone but the Vaishnavas, as will be described by the following shlokas. The associates of Lord Vishnu brought the special airplane for Dhruv Maharaj and then informed him that Lord Vishnu had especially sent this airplane. The Vaikuntha airplane does not move by mechanical arrangement. There are 3 processes for moving in outer space. One of the processes is known to the modern scientist. It is called Kapota Vayu. Ka means outer space and Pota means ship. There is a second process also called Kapota Vayu. Kapota means pigeon. One can train pigeons to carry one into outer space. The third process is very subtle. It is called Akashapatana. This Akashapatana system is also material. Just as the mind can fly anywhere one likes without mechanical arrangement, so the Akashapatana airplane can fly at the speed of mind. Beyond this Akashapatana system is the Vaikuntha process, which is completely spiritual. The airplane sent by Lord Vishnu to carry Dhruv Maharaj to Shishumara was a completely spiritual, transcendental airplane. Material scientists can neither see such vehicles nor imagine how they fly in the air. The material scientist has no information about the spiritual sky, although it is mentioned in the Bhagavad Gita.